Today is the final video in our little mini-series where I share with you the 39 new products set to hit our website at sewyours.com in the month of December. Today I have for you 10 LinerTex prints. This is called our Prism collection, and I had so much fun designing these. I chose colors from the rainbow, so you'll see that as I page through all of the different fabrics. This is a bonded nylon fabric. So first up we have our garnet, followed by our citrus, and we have sunburst, meadow, sapphire, lagoon, aurora, blossom, fusion, and jubilee. So let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite. Make sure you subscribe to our newsletter to get notified when these go live. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave them in the comments box and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I am now going to start photographing these 39 products so that I can start getting them listed over the next couple of weeks on our website. Also be looking for our strikers who are making amazing bags with a lot of these vinyls. They have been sent out and they are going to be making them over the next couple of weeks. So that way we give you some inspiration and show you how our materials are being used in bags. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.